Hi. Okay, guys. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, thyroid dysfunction. Okay, so many patients come to me because they call me the hormone whisperer, right? The balancing, having that perfect balance of hormones helps you actually handle life and not feel like you're going crazy every day. So think about this. The thyroid is actually the mothership of all the hormones. And so it's very easy to balance hormones when you concentrate on the thyroid. So low thyroid function is actually more common than you realize. So many women are walking around, and men, dealing with it and not realizing it at all. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what the thyroid does, and also some of the symptoms, and also the solution, okay? So the thyroid is the master secretor of all the different levels of hormones, right? So if you feel like one hormone is up here and one is down here, when we balance the thyroid, it actually helps them to be right here and for you to feel balanced inside. The thyroid is also responsible for the metabolism. So if you feel like you're pushing a wheelbarrow uphill in order to lose a few pounds, then your thyroid might be sluggish, right? That's an indicator that it might be sluggish. Obviously, the autoimmune form of low thyroid is Hashimoto's, and someone with that might have to get on a Synthroid or a thyroid medication from the doctor. But I want to tell you some of the symptoms of low thyroid, okay? So fatigue. Fatigue is a big one. If someone's chronically fatigued, always tired, kind of feeling like they're dragging, mixed with a little bit of brain fog, that could be low thyroid. Also hormone symptoms, right? So irregular periods, moodiness, PMS, right, ladies? So if that's the case, thyroid is definitely off. And then the metabolism. If you really feel like you just can't lose weight and you gain weight and you still eat really good, that's why. Okay, so if we boost the thyroid, then that helps that metabolism and helps get everything regular and helps you feel normal again, right? And feel healthy and whole again. I also want to tell you guys a little bit about what might be depleting your thyroid, okay? So there are two different things. The root cause of thyroid is leaky gut. And one of the causes of leaky gut is gluten, a gluten sensitivity. Gluten actually shuts off the thyroid. So one of the best things you could ever do is just go gluten-free and be 100% gluten-free, because you can't be kind of gluten-free. Your body doesn't recognize it. So if you're 100% gluten-free, your thyroid can actually start working again. Next is too much radiation exposure. Okay, so Wi-Fi, if we're constantly working from our phone, make sure you have an EMF protector on your phone. Also make sure that maybe you shut off your Wi-Fi router at nighttime or put the devices on airplane mode. That way you're not getting the Wi-Fi exposure all night while you sleep, because radiation, too much radiation depletes iodine out of your body, and iodine fuels the thyroid along with other trace minerals. So just a couple fun facts. Now the solution. Okay, so obviously I'm the hormone whisperer, right guys? So you can come into the clinic. Come into the clinic, get tested, let me balance those hormones. It's one of my favorite things to do. Or you can also order from this newsletter the BioThyroBalance. Balance. Our BioThyroBalance Balance is one of our top sellers. And patients that take just 2 capsules a day get right on their way to having healthy, happy, balanced hormones. And that's just the first step, but it really, really works wonderful. So if that's the case, call the clinic and grab your BioThyroBalance Balance today. Have a beautiful day, guys. I hope you got some education, some value, and learned a little bit in this video. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.